In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a hyperlinked text rather than pasting in or typing in an entire URL. What that does is makes it easier to read through and see what our resources are. So for instance, in our music column, we have Young Voices here. This is a hyperlinked text. So if I click here, I can very easily go to the website. Versus here where it is completely typed out and I have to look and try and figure out what this URL goes to, if that makes sense. It is a lot easier to read this one versus this one. So to fix these, if you have already gone in and entered your URLs, we would really appreciate it if you could go back and fix them to text. So one easy way to do that is to highlight it or click it and click the copy link. You can either click the pencil and right here where it says text, that is the display text, and that display text will be connected to the link. So I am going to type in Young Voices. And now you can see that it is hyperlinked text. You do want to verify when you enter any hyperlinked text that it did pull up what you wanted it to. So now when I click here, you can see that it says replace URL with this title. And it did not ask me that on the one before. I have not seen this option before today, so I am unsure of when it will offer it, but it's exciting that it does. That saves you the step of doing what I just did. So I will click yes, but you'll see it added a bunch of information that I may not want. So I am going to highlight all of that text and delete it. And as you can tell, it still keeps my hyperlink intact. So it still pulls up the website that I intended. Okay, so now this one I am going to pretend that I had not entered it yet. I'm copying the URL and then I will, so you can either right mouse click and copy, however it works best for you to get that URL. And then I'm going to take that over into my document and I'm going to type in School of Rock. I'm going to highlight that. And I'm right mouse clicking, which you can either right mouse click and click link, or up here at the top, there's another insert link. So they both go to the exact same place. And you can see here, it gives you suggestions. They may or may not be what you're looking for. But since I already have my hyperlink, since I already have my URL, I am just going to go ahead and paste that right in there and click apply. Then I will click on it just to be sure that my correct URL pops up. So then you can also click on it to verify that it does work. And that's all I have for that example. Hopefully that's helpful, but if you have any questions after watching this, please feel free to reach out to onlinehelp@cherrycreekacademy.org. One of us would be more than happy to help you with this. Okay? Thank you so much.